Gotten our expansion tank back from Gary. Repaired everything. Made it all nice and pretty and bitchin'. I have our gasket and our thermostat here. We're gonna put a 160-degree fail-safe thermostat. Let's get this done. Up and running. Expansion tank. Check. Sure to get things burping here. Right there. Get the overflow reservoir. Let this baby burp. Get up to temp. Good to go. Nice and dry. Happy, happy. Alright, we've got our old switch out. And what I did was I cut out, obviously this blue does not come out, but the rest of them, I ended up cutting them off, which I usually do when we have a dead old one. And that way we don't lose where they go, because even if you take photographs, half the time, you still gets all confoozled. So cut them out, got it out. There's our old broken switch. There's its other excess, other component. Done. So now we get to feed wires down through there and slide them through here and make everything work.